Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to add a real-time currency tracker to your Finance Toolbar app. Let us dive right in. The Finance Toolbar uses the Yahoo Finance server. The golden rule is this: everything you see on the Yahoo Finance website can be added to the Finance Toolbar app. For example, to add the stock, go to its page on the Yahoo Finance website and copy the last part of the URL. In this case, it would be your USD equals X. First, hover your mouse over the three dots icon. A hidden menu will appear on the left side. In this menu, click the wrench icon to open the options window, where you can add, remove, or rearrange your tracked items. Next, on the Basics tab, scroll down to the Quotes section. Here, you can add the currency you want to track. In the text bar, type the ticker symbol of the currency you want to add. For example, I will type your USD equals X. Then, click the Add button. That is it. Your stock is now part of your Finance Toolbar. Now, when I return to the app and increase the height of the Finance Toolbar, the heat map will appear. You will see that the new your USD equals X currency has been added to both the toolbar and the heat map table. You can track all currency exchange rates in a single, unified view, as displayed in the heat map. This includes currencies such as the US dollar, Canadian dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, and more. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.